Now let's introduce a new cloud managed switch, TEG 2228P24-410W. Without further ado, the switch provides a maximum PoE output power of 370W. Single port PoE output power maximum 30W. The switch provides 24 gigabit PoE ports, 2 gigabit RJ45 ports, 2 gigabit SFP optical ports. Compared with a common 24-port PoE switch, TEG 2228P24-410W supporting Tenda CloudFi web and app management. You can check PoE status in real time. Configuring VLAN. Set client type, such as cameras, APS, bridges, etc. Remotely open the loop guard. DHCP snooping. PoE watchdog. Adaptive fan. When PoE is working, you can control the restart of PoE ports. Simple management, minimal configuration. Suitable for wireless networking and monitoring networking, such as scenarios SMEs, industrial parks, residential areas. Learn more function, please download CloudFi app.